Okay, so we're removing the glow plugs. You can see there's one right here, the last one on the back, on the left side, driver's side. Just remove the glow plug. These have come out a few times already and cleaned them, so they're not swollen and difficult to remove. However, I will later show you the extraction tool if you do have problems with them. But they come out pretty easy if they're not swollen. And you got to put anti-seize compound. So here are some new ones, and anti-seize compound. So you just put them on the threads, pretty standard, pretty easy. And you just smear it on, and you're good to go. You just do one at a time, obviously. Pretty easy. It's a little difficult to access on some of them. Yeah, got a friend helping out today, but it's kind of hard to see. So the tool is right here. So this is the tool to remove it. We're shade tree mechanics, work under a pepper tree. So this is the tool. You would, if you're having trouble, you would screw it in a little more, and you can see it's got a little notch. There's a little notch here for the glow plug to fit in. And it fits in. Fits in like that. See, it's got a little notch. So you're just pretending the head is, inserted where my finger is, where the head is, and then you would just start. Use one hand. You would start tightening down on it by hand. You can see it's starting to cover up the glow plug, capturing that glow plug. You would just keep screwing it and screwing it. So it would be, I'm just pretending it'd be up against the head, so the head would be like right there. And you just keep tightening it. And once this part bottoms out on the head, then you would just start turning this guy. And once you start turning this smaller one, it rotates this and pulls it that way out, and this outer piece rests on the head, and that's how you would pull it out. It captures it around the head, and just pulls it out. So you can see the glow plugs. There's one right there. One. You can see the other one, 2, 3, and the fourth one right there. You can see all 4 of them. I guess 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, you can see them. See this right here. There's one. There's the one there, 2, and there's this one, 3. So you just got to right there. So they're just below the injector. So each injector, here's the injector, just follow the 2. Right below the injector is a glow plug for each side. This side, passenger side, is going to be a little more complicated because it has AC lines and that kind of stuff. As you can see, 1, 2, and then there's 3 and 4 on that side. So you just look basically right below the injector, and you'll find glow plugs. So on this side it's really hard because you've got all this tubing. You got all this tubing and lines on this side.